Okay, boys and girls, there it is. Control surfaces work. Motor works. I think that's fun. And if you look at the pan and tilt on the front, it can, whoops, see, it goes more than behind. And tilt. Whoops. What happened to my tilt? Oh well, was tilting a second ago. Oh, look, there's what happened to my tilt. Okay, let's try that again. My pan tilt servo lead to the flight controller wasn't long enough. So when I rotated the pan like this and then was playing with it and stuff, see if it'll do it again. It unplugged it. Didn't do it this time. I added an extension and that should have fixed that, which it did. So let's try it again. We have control surface movements. We have power. And we can pan the camera. And we can tilt the camera.
1 minute.
So I've already decided on another little modification. Let me move this up here. And we'll get this down where we can see what I'm going to speak about. Because I already found one modification I want to make. If you look, when you tilt the camera down, it doesn't really look straight down. But when you tilt the camera up, here's normal. And then when you tilt the camera up, that goes up probably more than I need. So what I'm going to do, I want more down. That was one of the things this was built for, the pan and tilt with that, this part on it that comes out is so I could look straight down over the front of the platform. I probably can look straight down over the side too. But yeah, it'll go all over the side. So I am going to change that tilt. It's just taking the screw out of it and changing it on the spline. You guys know how that works. I think about that much up should be enough. I'm just trying to do clearing turns. This is why I need a tilt. But the rest of that up, I think I'm going to convert that to more down. We'll see later. Anyway, that seems to work great to me. So I don't know what else to say except for it's time to configure the electronics. Do a make. Go to the bar and buy everybody a drink. How's that sound?